Amazon's Kindle is one of the best e-reader in the market. Amazon's competitor might offer more technological advanced or less expensive hardwares but cannot compete in providing the volume of ebooks, comics and content which Amazon is providing. Kindle Paperwhite comes with two storage options. The base storage is 8 GB and next available storage option is 32 GB. The 32 GB is approximately €34 costlier than the 8 GB version. Storage would not be much of a concern here as ebooks are tiny in content, and if you buy them from Amazon, they are stored in free Amazon cloud storage when not in use. Storage can become an issue if you prefer using Kindle for listening to audiobooks. Kindle Paperwhite is Audible supported and you can listen to audiobooks using Bluetooth enabled speakers or headphones. If you don't want to limit yourself to Wi-Fi and want to buy books on the go wherever you want, then you can go for a cellular option which cost €69 extra than the Wi-Fi version and available only in 32 GB storage option. Here you can go for cellular version if money is not a concern for you. Kindle Paperwhite has 300 pixels per inch and you can see it when you turn the Kindle Paperwhite on. The fonts are very sharp and crisp as if they are printed on the paper. That is from where it got its name as Paperwhite. There are 5 LED built-in lights which means you can read your content in any kind of light environment and you don't need any external light source to see the words. You can adjust the screen brightness from the setting depending on your light environment you are in. Normally when you are outside under sun, the glare on your screen makes it tough to see and read, but the e-ink technology solves this issue and makes Kindle Paperwhite readable under direct sunlight. Kindle Paperwhite is also waterproof. It's IPX8 rating and tested to withstand immersion in 2 meters of fresh water for 60 minutes. But that does not mean you can go swimming with it. You can use it when you are in a pool or a tub, and if you drop it accidentally into the water, then not to worry. Kindle Paperwhite comes with an automatic sleep function which makes the Paperwhite go to sleep when not in use to save battery. Kindle Paperwhite is amazing when it comes to battery. A single charge lasts up to 6 weeks based on half an hour reading per day with wireless off and the light setting at 13. However, battery life will vary based on lights and wireless usage. Fully charged time for Kindle Paperwhite is approximately 3 hours from a computer via USB cable. Kindle Paperwhite is sold with a limited warranty of 1 year provided by the manufacturer. Now let's talk about why I decided to buy Kindle Paperwhite over Kindle Oasis. Let's come to the differences between both Kindle Paperwhite and Kindle Oasis. First is the screen size. The screen size for Kindle Paperwhite is 6 inch and the screen size for Kindle Oasis is 7 inch. Both devices have same screen technology, e-ink technology and same resolution which is 300 pixel per inch. Kindle Oasis comes with a new ergonomics design and page turn buttons. Honestly, I personally prefer tapping or touching on the screen for turning pages. Again, that's personal preference. Additional features in Oasis are auto screen customization and auto rotating page orientation. Now you can adjust the shade of the screen light from white to a warm amber with the ability to schedule light changes for a personalized reading experience. Kindle Oasis also has an adaptive font light that automatically adjusts the brightness of your screen based on lighting conditions. Kindle Paperwhite comes in 4 colors: black, twilight blue, plum and sage. Black being my personal favorite, which is not available color option in Kindle Oasis. Other hand, Kindle Oasis comes in 2 color, gold and graphite. And now the most important factor is price. Kindle Oasis almost double the price of Paperwhite, and with that double the amount you get 1 inch bigger screen size than Kindle Paperwhite, new ergonomics design, page turn buttons, auto adjusting light sensors, auto rotating page orientation. For me, paying double the amount for Kindle Oasis for these few extra new features did not make sense, hence I preferred and bought a Kindle Paperwhite over Kindle Oasis. Instead, I will suggest to spend an extra 10 euros for Paperwhite and go for a Kindle without ads option. Tip for this video. As we all know that we can use external PDFs, send them to our Kindle device and read. But there is a catch here. You cannot increase the font size of external PDFs as they are not Kindle supported. If you try to zoom to make the font bigger, then the content does not fit the page and it becomes difficult to scroll around and read. Hence keep that in mind when buying a Kindle. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel for future contents. See you in the next video.